Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm in my super comfy working from home outfit from Rockwear and I just got a massive craving for cookies, so I thought why not make some healthy cookies with you guys. And these ones, you won't believe that they're high in protein, vegan, no butter, not high in calories, super good for you, and best of all, they're crunchy. So we're gonna make them into little cookie shapes and I'll put them in a big cookie bowl. So it's like cookie cereal essentially, and I think you're gonna love it, so make sure you keep watching if you want to know how to make it. The first thing we're going to do is grab a bowl, and in it we are going to grab some peanut butter or almond butter, or you can also use a seed butter if you have a nut allergy. Some ground flax seed, which I've made into flax eggs, so you basically just double the water of the flax seed and let that soak for 5 minutes, and it will help combine the cookie just like a real egg does. Some vanilla extract, which will add a really nice flavor to it, and also some coconut sugar. So this is gonna help make the cookie crisp up really nicely and make it golden brown, and it also has a really nice caramelly flavor as well. And I'm just gonna give that a stir. So now that that's all combined, we can add our dry ingredients. So I've got some protein powder here. I'm just using a vegan vanilla protein powder, but you can use whatever you like. A little pinch of salt, some baking soda, and I'll just stir that all through. And also some coconut flour, which is gonna make it super high in fiber as well. So now that that's combined into a really nice dough, now it's time for the best part, which is adding some chocolate chips. And I've got some sugar-free dark chocolate chips in here, so I'm gonna throw that in and stir that. And then at this point, I'm gonna turn on the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing we're going to make is our cookie cereal bowl. So I've got a small bowl here which I've covered in Glad wrap, and then I'm just gonna mold this dough over the bowl, just like that, super easy. So this will obviously be kept raw, but the good thing about a vegan cookie recipe is that it has no eggs, so you can eat it raw, and that is one of the best things about it. So now that's into a cookie bowl shape, I'm gonna put it into the freezer for about 4 hours. So now it's time to make our little mini cookies, which will make the perfect cookie cereal. So I'm gonna grab a big handful of dough and just roll it out like that, so I can make the exact same size cookie cereal, because we want it to all be the same size so that they cook evenly.
And then place cookies into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown.
Me so hungry for cookie.
So this is the result of my cookie cereal in a cookie bowl. I hope you try it, it's so delicious and such a fun idea for when you're bored in ISO, which I know that you are. You can obviously use your favorite cookie recipe, but I thought since we're all snacking, we might as well snack healthier. So do try this protein cookie recipe. You won't be able to tell that it is healthier than your average cookie and lower in calories. I'll see you next time.